Being a YouTuber surely does bring lots of cash into your bag. But how exactly do they earn money from publishing a YouTube video? They earn through ads. Google pays a publisher 68% of its AdSense revenue from the payment it received from the advertiser, while the advertiser normally gives a rate between 10 to 30 cents per view. So for every 1,000 ad views, a YouTube channel can receive up to $18. Just imagine how much money you can make if your YouTube views reach up to 1 million. This is the main reason why making content on YouTube is one of the most famous ways to earn money online. With that amount of earnings, I'm sure that a successful YouTuber's house will be the perfect manifestation of their hard work. So, I welcome you to Class Act Luxury Channel, where we will be talking about the world's most luxurious things. This is your luxury girl for all seasons. And today we will take a look at the most luxurious YouTuber houses. If you wish to delve into the world of luxury, hit the subscribe button so we can keep you updated with more of our videos. Let's begin. Number 1. Jaclyn Hill. Jaclyn Hill is an American entrepreneur of her own cosmetic brand, Jaclyn Cosmetics. Jaclyn gained fame on YouTube. She started publishing videos in 2011 and later on became famous for her makeup tutorial videos, which by the time was very in demand. Now, Jaclyn has 5.64 million subscribers. With all the success she amassed, she was able to build her $2 million home. In one of her videos, she featured her house where she showed her 2 guest rooms and her amazing backyard. Number 2. Bethany Mota. Bethany Mota is an American vlogger whose content revolves around haul videos. In her videos, she features outfit ideas, makeup and hair tutorials, DIY projects, and more. She started her YouTube career in 2009 mainly because she wanted to vent the frustrations she gets from bullying somewhere. Who could have known that this will be the key to her success? Her channel, MacBarbie07, generates an estimated $40,000 per month, but that was according to Business Insider in 2014. Currently, Bethany has 9.57 million subscribers and 309 videos. Since she started her YouTube career early, it won't be a shocker to know that she owns a house that is worth $2.2 million. Her house features 5 bedrooms with a bathroom in each, a modern-looking chic kitchen, a swimming pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, and a grilling area. On top of all that, she has a garage with a built-in electric car charger. Number 3. Zoe and Alfie. Zoe and Alfie are both social media personalities. Zoe started her career on YouTube in 2009 after she published her first YouTube account, Zoella280390. Meanwhile, Alfie started his pointless blog in the same year. In early October 2012, the two got together, and they announced it in a blog post the following year, the month of August. Their YouTube channels have a combined number of subscribers of less than 10 million. Just last year, they had a baby girl named Ottilie Ruiz, and the 3 of them now live happily in Brighton, East Sussex. Their home is never a secret to us since they've been posting pictures that subtly feature their home. The ambience of their home is a little airy with plants and flowers being displayed, plus the artwork and neon signs that add a touch of contemporary style. Their home has a total price of $2.3 million. Number 4. Shane Dawson. Shane Dawson is probably one of the biggest influencers who had a nasty downfall in the industry. In June 2020, Shane Dawson received a backlash from netizens due to his actions and he immediately lost 700,000 followers. Shane started his career in 2008 and from then on, he received millions of followers who eventually will cancel him out after his old video doing inappropriate actions to a poster of Willow Smith, who was an 11-year-old by that time. Although time seems to neglect him now, we can't deny that for once, it's been in his favor. He was able to build his almost $3 million worth of fortress in Calabasas, California. It features a sizable living area with a fireplace, a state-of-the-art kitchen, 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, a gym, and a farm. For a guy with a very problematic tendency, he's very lucky. Number 5. Lilly Singh. Lilly Singh is a Canadian YouTuber who started in 2010. Originally, her parents wanted her to go to a graduate school, but she insisted on trying YouTube first, and if it doesn't work out, then she will. Unfortunately, it did. It made her live her dream life in her dream home, worth $4.1 million. This 3-story studio city home is located in Los Angeles. It features 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, a basketball court, an elevator, a home theater, a game room, a lavish garden, a wet bar, a swimming pool, and a spa. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Let us know in the comment section. Let's get going. Number 6. Jordan Maron. Jordan Maron, also known as Captain Sparkles, is a YouTuber whose content revolves around gaming. I bet y'all boys are now all ears. Captain Sparkles started his career in early 2010 under the channel Pros Don't Talk Shit or PDTS. His content mainly focuses on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 at that time. Now he is the owner of this mansion worth over $4.5 million. He bought his mansion in LA in 2015, and he was just 23 years old at the time. His mansion stands 3 stories and features 3 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, an infinity pool and a plunge pool, balconies with breathtaking views of the LA sunset, a sunken wet bar, and an entertainment area. Number 7. Rosanna Pansino. Rosanna Pansino is one of the highest paid YouTubers in the industry. In fact, in 2017, she was listed in Forbes. She started publishing YouTube videos in 2009, where she bakes. Later on, she created the Nerdy Nummies series, which eventually became trending. This series made her earn up to 7 figures in a year, according to Forbes. Rosanna now lives in her modern farmhouse in the Sherman Oaks community. It features 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and of course, a kitchen. Her kitchen has neutral tones of gray and white. That is probably to flaunt her classic taste in life. Aside from that, her home also has an outdoor kitchen, a swimming pool, a home theater, and a spa. Her home total is $6 million. Number 8. David Dobrik. Trigger warning everyone. Another YouTuber with a serious allegation. David's channel on YouTube has been demonetized after multiple sponsorships were withdrawn from him. That is due to a sexual assault allegation against his former Vlog Squad member, Dominika Zaglaitis. Also, Dobrik published a video after that incident with the title, "She Should Not Have Played with Fire." I don't know what he was trying to imply, but that was so weird of him. Anyway, before David got caught up in all this mess, he was first a successful YouTuber who focuses on doing daily vlogs. His success fed his piggy bank and he was able to buy a lavish mansion in San Fernando Valley, Sherman Oaks. It features 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a gym, a spa, indoor and outdoor kitchens, a home theater, a smaller wine cellar, and a pool. His home is worth $9 million. Number 9. The Ace Family. Ace Family is one of the most famous channels on YouTube. Currently, it has 18.7 million subscribers. The family started doing YouTube videos in 2016 with pranks and challenge videos which were so famous at that time. After years of success in the industry, despite the hate they've been getting, they were still able to secure a home worth $10 million. The house measures 1.2 acres. It has 12 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, a game room, a mini golf course, a home theater, and a swimming pool. Number 10. Jeffree Star. Finally, we are down to the final YouTuber whose house is worth a staggering $14.6 million. His house is located in the gated community of Ashley Ridge in Hidden Hills. The mansion measures 3 acres of land and it features 2 grand guest houses, 8 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, and a sizable garage that can fit up to 10 cars. Jeffree Star is a YouTuber whose content is mainly makeup tutorials and reviews just like Jaclyn Hill. And that's it, another video about the world's luxurious things. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see ya in our next video. Ciao!